In this video, I'll show you how to replace a door handle on a Frigidaire side-by-side refrigerator. Okay, as you can see, the two handles right here, they have a little separation right there. The trim, what you want to do is push down on the trim and it pops off. Now with a Phillips head screwdriver, you want to remove the screw that mounts the top trim or top handle. Now pull up on the handle and it slide right off. And that's how you remove your door handles for a Frigidaire side-by-side refrigerator. Now to replace the door handle, you just do the opposite. Start up high, make sure your handles align with the screws in the door and slide it right down through the slots. Now replace the Phillips head screw in the upper door handle. And slide the lower trim up into the door handle. Align it with the screws. Line it up. Slide right up into the handle. And job is done.